for a little bit of a cleanup from Teko. This is a Reacher handheld vacuum with accessories. Over 465,000 of these have been sold. You're gonna clean with a small but mighty power, and I feel like it kind of makes you clean all the time, right? Every single day, the small messes. You don't want to grab that big vacuum cleaner. I love that it's called the Reacher because it really is reaching all those places underneath, in those crevices as well. It's a handheld vacuum that has so much power from Teko. If you have pets, you're gonna love this. I haven't seen something like this. Only order this year, over 465,000 have been sold, and we've got some exclusive colors as well. Let's go through color choices. All right, so comes with the vacuum, the power adapter, the upholstery and the floor attachment, the crevice attachment with the soft touch brush. Ooh, a lot of accessories, and a filter cleaning brush as well. Here are the colors. We're gonna start, oh, that's so pretty. Sage green. We also have it in pink, white, and then finally we have it in charcoal gray. Do we have the other one? I think teal blue. All right, let's bring in Jack Yiser. Hi, Jack. This is ingenious. Hello. It's like a a vacuum gun. You know, it's just like woo. Reaches all
amazing.
the crevices.
So it's just that simple pinch, and then you get the full extension. And you can see how much it just grows, and it goes out to that full extension. It gets so big, and that's what's so nice about this is it's not just, you know, a small little handheld vacuum for all your messes that are like, you know, some stuff that you wouldn't need to bend over for, stuff that's like on a countertop or something like that. This is really a great vacuum for those as well. But it's also got the ability to reach all the way up to the ceiling. Like I've got a camera on the ceiling right now, and I'm not having to reach up or anything. And if you go to my next camera, you can see I'm actually cleaning the camera and getting all the way up there. But the key thing there is my arm was not extending up. I wasn't having to reach or get on my tippy toes or anything like that. And it's the same thing when you try and get low and get down to something below you. It's actually really nice because it'll reach all the way down to the floor just by itself.
Yeah.
So you don't have to bend over. And you know one thing I love?
Tell me.
I noticed this recently when I was cleaning my home is that our floor attachment doesn't have any rollers and it doesn't have any wheels. You know why I love that? Is because I go out and clean my rug and I don't like running rollers across it because it deteriorates the rug.
Yeah.
Running a normal vacuum, like especially a normal floor vac over a rug in carpet can actually cause a lot of problems for the stitching and the fabric down there. So having something with no wheels, no rollers that are going to get twisted up or tear it apart, it's nice. It just floats right over the top of it. And then again, just that easy reach capability for all the hard to reach areas. Really, it's cleaning out all the spaces that you normally can't get to more effectively than ever.
Tell me a little bit about this brand. Is it Teko or Teko?
Teko. So it's our cleaning brand. You might know us from inventing and innovating in the garden space. We're bringing that same ideology and that same inventive and creative mind to the cleaning space, which is why we're coming up with a small handheld vacuum that can reach all the way down to the floor, is easy to use on tabletops, and can also reach all the way up to the ceiling. I mean, how often do you clean your air vents? They get so dirty. And it's hard to reach them because they're all at the top of the ceiling, or they're all way down low on the bottom of the floor. So it's nice to be able to get something that can reach in and suck up all the lint. Easy to clean, easy to remove filters. Again, our goal in the garden, you might know me and my dad from our garden brand Bernini, but in our cleaning brand, it's similar. We want it to be an easy job. He and I are definitely of the mind that it is better to work smarter than harder. So we want to build smart tools for you to work with.
Look at this turning into this. So ingenious, so inventive, and so innovative. And then look at how long. Do you see how long that is? And super powerful. Walk me through what's happening right here. So are there several speeds?
Exactly. So you're on the power setting. So right there, you're on the low power setting, then the high power setting, and then you have a little battery level check. That's the 3 buttons at the bottom. So you have low and high, and then you hold it for off. And then again, it's just an easy charge. And I do love using this because it's just so nice whenever you need to get to somewhere. Like if you need to get on top of something, it's
Hmm.
super easy because you could reach up really
Yeah.
simply, or just to get down low. You don't need, the great thing about this is it means you don't need more than one vacuum. It's your stick vacuum, it's your floor vacuum. Shoot, it could even take the job of the duster that you have because it'll get on top of all those dusting areas and clean those up as well. And sometimes when you're using a duster,
Uh-huh.
it's just knocking the dust around. The
Oh,
nice thing
yeah.
about this is because it's actually a vacuum, it's sucking up all the dust bunnies that you might just be knocking on the floor otherwise.
Did you know, Jack, that household dust is made of human skin? I might have learned that here at
Oh,
QVC. Isn't that gross? I mean,
it's
you're
very
so
gross.
right. Like you could, take a duster, you could just move it around, like swish, swish,
Hmm.
like put it all over the place. Why don't you just pick it up, right? Like get it out of your house. So whether
Exactly.
it's like on your stairs, like you just said, look at how long this is. I'm not bending over and I just kind of tested it right here. Let's go through color choices. Very innovative from our friends at Bernini. We've got it in sage green. I also think it's pretty cool. It's like, ooh, boom, boom,
It does
it's
look
like,
very, it's a
yeah,
very attractive
it
vacuum.
is. And I also love that it collapses. Sage green. We also have it in pink white. There's the pink white. Here is charcoal gray, most popular in charcoal gray. And then we got one more. Teal blue is the most limited, free shipping and handling. Hey, Jack, over
Hmm.
465,000 sold of these at QVC?
That might be the hover scrubber, but you know what? We are selling a lot of these
Yeah,
because they are so much fun and they're so nice to use. And you're using it exactly how I want to use it, which is on my carpet. Now, I like to talk about that because the
gotcha.
floor attachment
Yep.
just glides over any fabric carpet or wood hardwood surfaces. It's so nice because it's sensitive on those fabrics and on those wools. I remember I was looking this up because I was just trying to, I'm getting into more cleaning
Yeah.
and I'm trying to figure out the right way to clean things.
Mm-hmm.
And when I was looking up how to clean my rug, it said, don't use vacuums that have rollers or wheels.
Yeah.
And I was so it all of a sudden just struck me. I'm like, of course, because you're rubbing up against something and it's pulling all the fibers out. You wouldn't use, like a scraper. So why would you want something that as a vacuum is scraping your rug? So the nice thing about that is there's no scraping, it's all suction. So all the little,
Oh,
grit and grime that gets in between your rug
yeah.
that's hard to get rid of, usually
Mhm.
you have to shake it out or beat it out. The nice thing is this vacuum doesn't damage your rug while cleaning it at the same time.
And it has a long, long reach. I don't know, how many feet would you say that is?
It's just under 3 feet of total reach. So, I mean, if you've got short arms and need to clean high spaces or high windows, this is what's great. Is it's tripling your reach and just making it so easy to get on top of things and not just sweep away or dust away any of the dirt or grime. It's sucking it up and putting it directly in the trash where it needs to go, out of your house, out of your and keeping your peace of mind
And
clean.
that's how you dump it. The other great thing is, like you said, when you want those quick cleanups, and I feel like if you have pets, very essential. If you have kids, just a family, right? You don't want to
Hmm.
bring out your heavy, heavy vacuum. You want something like this, a handheld vacuum with so much power that is cleaning up small but mighty all the time. It's your everyday, and it
Hmm.
comes with all those great accessories. One more time, love that it's cordless as well. Here is the sage green. We also have it in pink white, and here in studio, charcoal gray, and then finally, very limited, teal blue. Only order of the year. Thank you, Jack.
Thank you very much. Go
Oh,
birds.
I thought you were, okay. All right, Jack, you've got a couple more minutes to talk
Oh,
about this one.
Oh, I didn't realize we were. Oh, okay, my bad. I'm happy to keep talking about this vacuum. It is amazing, and also in Philly colors. But it is just amazing because you do get that reachability to go up and grab all the grime that's in hard to reach spaces. I mean, to me, the one that really is I almost never clean because it's so hard to get to is the air vents. The air vents up by the top of my ceiling are so hard to get to, and I see them and I see how dirty they are. And so having this to be able to reach up to where I don't need to get a stool, I don't need to get a ladder. It does all the cleaning for me.
How did you come up with this ingenious product? Because your family, Bernini, came up with
Hmm.
the hose, right? The garden hose, the
Exactly, the
special,
metal
yeah.
garden hose.
Yeah, the metal garden
Yes.
hose, yeah.
So really, this did just come from the need of something that is compact, portable, lightweight, and easy to use, but is not just usable in one setting. There's a lot of lightweight vacuums, there's a lot of like handheld vacuums, but there's not a single one that can, in one click of a button, become a floor vac. And so that's the issue that we really were trying to solve, is get something that's easy to use, lightweight and compact, that's not going to take up a lot of space in your home, whether it be in your closets or in any other storage space, but is going to be very versatile and very powerful anywhere you need to be cleaning.
And it's really getting all those crevices. Maybe it's your car. Love that it's cordless. 2 speeds on that. Also tells you how much battery is left in the kitchen, in the car, anywhere in your home. It's kind of like cleaning every single day at any time of day, and then giving you that incredible reach. It's in the name, Reacher, right?
hmm Exactly. It's very much a literal name, because you are going to be able to reach places and clean places that you couldn't before, whether it's crevices that are hard to get into, whether it's parts of the ceiling or windows that are hard to get to, or on the top of fan blades. Don't just knock the dust bunnies off, suck them up as well. This vacuum will get everywhere and anywhere that you've been struggling to clean or haven't been able to clean.
I love the stairs because we have like 4 flights of stairs. So one more time, we have sage green. Here is the pink, white, charcoal gray, very popular. And then finally, the limited teal blue, most limited. Thank you, Jack.
Oh, thank you very much.